If you've ever opened your bank app and had to close it again just to protect your feelings, yeah, this video is for you. Today I'm giving you 5 crazy easy ways to make money in 2025, even if your wallet is currently doing intermittent fasting. And don't worry, we're keeping it 100% beginner friendly. Let's go. Number 1, selling digital products. Why? Because you can create it once and sell it 1,000 times without restocking, sweating, or begging your neighbor to pay you back. Think ebooks, guides, templates. Sell them on platforms like Seller or Gumroad. And if you're thinking, but I don't know what to make, congratulations, you're normal. Start with something you already know or can research in a day. Then use Canva to make it look like a masterpiece. Number 2, AI content creation. We're in the era where robots can write love letters, argue with your landlord, and create YouTube scripts, kind of like the one I'm reading right now. Businesses need content fast, social media posts, blog articles, product descriptions, and you can sell that as a service. Bonus, use AI plus Canva to create carousels for Instagram. People pay $20 to $50 per carousel. That's like selling air, but prettier. Number 3, one flipping. Not gymnastics, flipping products. Buy low, sell high. Old laptops, secondhand phones, thrift clothes. You can start with things in your own house. The secret? Take good photos and write descriptions that make it sound like the buyer's life will be 72% better if they own it. Number 4, teaching online skills. People pay for knowledge they can't Google fast enough. Teach basic graphic design, Excel, or starting a hustle. Record short lessons, post them on Udemy, or sell via WhatsApp. And no, you don't need to be a professor. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're teaching. Number 5, microservices. These are quick, small tasks people pay for. Designing a simple logo, editing a TikTok video, transcribing audio. Find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or even in Facebook groups. Start cheap to get reviews, then raise your rates like rent prices. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, these ideas are cool, but I need more, like a full menu of hustles to choose from, I got you. I created the African Hustle Playbook 2025, packed with 50+ low-capital business ideas, AI-powered hustles, and step-by-step plans. This isn't just a book, it's your I'm tired of being broke starter kit. Links in the description. Grab it now before you convince yourself to wait another year to start. Deal? Thank you all for watching. Please send me a DM to get yourself a copy of my ebook. This ebook will help you navigate how to grow a business with no or low capital. And it's easier to read and understand. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please share the video as well.